All right, O'Sullivan's Cascade. After kayaking for a couple hours, we stopped over at the leopard colony, and then now we are down here. So this is absolutely stunning in this area, and you can see it. And then I'm going to show you the Cascade. This is absolutely stunning. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Our guide, our kayak guide, says that when they get heavy duty rains, it's actually heavy enough and thick enough that they've had some whitewater rafters go down here and then travel down through this bottom part. I can't even imagine. I mean, so it looks so dangerous. Let's take a walk down here. Wow, look at that. That's just amazing. So beautiful.